Have you ever read a news story and thought, I wish I could turn this into a product? What if I told you that you can? And that product could be a Kindle book earning passive income for months or years. Thanks to AI tools, you can now take trending news, celebrity stories, royal family updates, or even seasonal events and turn them into high-quality Kindle books, all without writing everything from scratch. In this video, we're going to break down exactly how to turn news items into Kindle books, step by step, including the types of topics that sell best, how to structure your book, and how AI makes it faster and easier than ever. Why news-based Kindle books work. The secret is simple. People are curious. Every time a celebrity makes headlines, a natural disaster happens, or the royal family is in the news, thousands, even millions of people want to know more. They search online for background, stories, and context. By turning these stories into short, digestible Kindle books, you give readers exactly what they want. Detailed information in one place, accessible anytime. Unlike blogs or articles, Kindle books feel more permanent, more authoritative, and they can generate revenue over time without constant updates. This method works because you are not creating news. You're creating context and value around news. That's what people are willing to pay for. Identifying news topics that sell. Not every news item works for a Kindle book. You want topics that are evergreen. Stories people will still care about months later, celebrity biographies, royal events, natural phenomena, trending, current news that spikes interest in the short-term seasonal, events like Halloween, Christmas, Easter, or summer festivals that people actively search for. For example, celebrity bios. Think the rise of celebrity name, or inside the life of actor/musician. Royal family updates, books about weddings, births, or scandals that attract global attention. Natural phenomena, stories about hurricanes, wildfires, or astronomical events explained in an easy-to-read format. Seasonal items, recipes, crafts, or themed stories for Christmas, Halloween, or Easter. By choosing the right topic, you're setting up your book to sell. Using AI to research and generate content. Once you have your topic, AI is your best friend. Instead of spending weeks researching, you can feed AI prompts like, summarize all major events in celebrity names' career in chronological order. Write a concise biography of the royal family's most recent wedding. Explain natural phenomena like event in simple, engaging language for readers aged 12+. Create a seasonal guide for Halloween decorations and stories. AI can turn multiple news sources into structured content that's easy to read. You still need to fact-check and add a personal touch, but AI drastically reduces your workload. This is particularly useful for books that require lists, timelines, or explanations. All things AI can generate in minutes that would otherwise take hours. Structuring your Kindle book. A common mistake beginners make is throwing content together without structure. A good Kindle book should have title and subtitle that captures attention and search keywords, introduction that hooks the reader and explains why the topic matters, chapters or sections organized logically, conclusions/takeaways summarizing key points, optional extras, images, timelines, or links to additional resources. For example, a celebrity bio could look like this: early life, breakthrough moment, career highlights, controversies, or challenges, legacy, and influence. Each chapter can be 500 to 1,000 words, giving you a 5,000 to 10,000 word book. Perfect length for Kindle readers who want something quick but comprehensive. Leveraging AI for titles, subtitles, and keywords. Titles and keywords are the most important part of Kindle sales. AI can help you generate hundreds of title variations, suggest subtitles that include trending keywords, optimize your description for Amazon search algorithms. For instance, if your book is about the royal wedding, AI can suggest title: The Royal Wedding. Behind the Palace Doors. Subtitle: All the Secrets, Facts, and Stories You Missed. Keywords help your book appear in search results when people look for the latest updates or insights. A good title and subtitle can make the difference between zero sales and a bestseller. Creating seasonal Kindle books. Seasonal books are unique because they have predictable spikes in demand. Think Halloween, Christmas, Easter, or summer festivals. People search for themed stories, recipes, activities, and guides. By creating these books months in advance, you can hit the market at peak search times. For example, Halloween, 10 spooky short stories for kids Christmas, the ultimate holiday craft guide summer, beach vacation survival tips and fun activities. AI can help generate themed stories, craft instructions, and even illustrations in some cases. Seasonal books often sell in batches and can generate repeated yearly sales. Using celebrity news for Kindle books. Celebrity bios and news updates are evergreen and trending at the same time. You can take recent interviews, award wins, controversies, career milestones, and turn them into a short, readable book. The key is not to copy news articles. You're providing value by compiling, contextualizing, and presenting information in a digestible form. Fans want insight, not just headlines. AI can summarize multiple articles, organize content chronologically, and even suggest engaging chapter titles. Using natural phenomena and science news. Books on natural phenomena, like hurricanes, wildfires, or rare astronomical events, attract curiosity-driven readers. AI can help you. Summarize scientific reports in easy-to-read language, create timelines of events, explain complex topics with analogies or visuals. These books often appeal to students, educators, or casual learners. They are less trendy than celebrity news, but highly reliable in terms of consistent search demand. Formatting and polishing your book. Once content is ready, formatting is crucial. Kindle readers expect clear headings, bullet points where necessary, proper paragraph spacing, simple font styles. AI tools can help with formatting and generating a table of contents. Polished books feel professional, which increases your credibility and sales potential. Additionally, short introductions, summaries, and sidebars make your books easier to read on mobile devices, where most Kindle users browse. Cover design using AI. The cover is the first thing potential buyers notice. AI tools like Canva or AI image generators can create professional-looking covers in minutes. For example, celebrity books. Add a stylized image of the star or abstract art inspired by them. Seasonal books. Use festive colors and symbols, science/natural phenomena. Illustrate storms, galaxies, or natural disasters. A good cover can dramatically increase click-through rates on Amazon. Uploading to Kindle and optimizing for sales. Once your book is ready, the next step is Amazon KDP. Choose the right category: biography, science, holidays, etc. Set keywords for search optimization. Decide on pricing. Short books often sell for $2.99, $4.99, while longer, high-value books can go up to $9.99. Enable Kindle Unlimited to reach more readers. AI can even help generate sales descriptions and promotional blurbs that convert casual readers into buyers. If you found this video helpful and want more strategies for making money online with AI, digital products, and Kindle publishing, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. And don't wait, pick a trending news topic today, feed it into AI, and start your first Kindle book. You could be turning headlines into income sooner than you think. Remember, in the creator economy, speed and value are everything. Your first AI-powered Kindle book is just the beginning.